This is a tricky question, and because they're asking for the area. Donna's TV screen is 20 inches long. Let me draw it out. Here we go. Here's my TV, and it's 20 inches long. The diagonal measure is 25 inches. Wow, that is not a straight line. 25 inches. Okay. What is the area? Now, if you think back, 6th grade, 7th grade, area of a rectangle is length times width, is most likely what they said. Here's the length, here's the width. But I don't know what the width is. So, I got to find out what the width is. And the way I'm going to do that is using Pythagorean theorem. See, this made a right triangle. So I see a right triangle there. This is side A, side B, side C. I'm going to use Pythagorean theorem, which says a squared plus b squared equals c squared. A squared, so that's 20 squared is going to equal 400. What I did is 20 times 20. B squared, I don't know what that is. I'm trying to figure that out. 25 squared, seems like that equals like 625 if I remember correctly. Let me double check. 25 times 25, since I'm making a video on it. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 2 is 10, 11, 12. 2 times 5 is 10, carry your 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Yeah, there we go, 625. I was right. So, I might need this space later. Let me get rid of that. It does equal 625. I'm going to try to get b squared by itself, so I'm going to subtract 400. Subtract 400. I end up with b squared equals 225. So that means that there is a square coming off side B that has an area of 225. I didn't draw that perfectly, but imagine it's a square. But they want to know what does, well, I need to know what does B equal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the square root of 225 to find out what B equals. The square root of 225 is 15. So that means that this side over here equals 15. And check this out, they're trying to be tricky. They're trying to say, hey kids, look, you got the number 15, and here's an answer that says 15, but that is not correct, because what they are asking for is what is the area of this TV? Length times width. So the length is 20 times my width, now I know it is 15, equals 300. So the correct answer is hidden way over here at the very end. 300 is the correct answer because they're asking for the area.